Welcome to Luxury Homes North Idaho. I'm Sarah Cline. Where we live, the best seat in town isn't in town, it's on the water. So in today's episode, we're rounding up waterfront restaurants on beautiful Lake Coeur. We're gonna tell you where they are, what they're known for, and how to pull up by boat. And of course, a few insider tips. Your waterfront restaurant guide starts now. Every sunrise feels like gold. Another story to be told. These are the days we'll remember, the moments we'll treasure. Oh, could this get any better? See the beauty all around. There's always wonder to be found. In this world full of color, we'll journey together. Oh, could this get any better? Sunny days, summer nights, soaking in this wildlife. Tell me, could this get any better? Open skies, open roads, every mile a new unknown. Tell me, could this get any better? This beautiful life. What a beautiful life. Come with me, we'll chase the light. Let our wild hearts be the guide. These are the days we'll remember, the moments we'll treasure. Oh, could this get any better? Sunny days, summer nights.
Hey, we're here at One Shot Charlie's in Harrison. This is such a cool town. It's like a jumping off point for the bike trail system. It's an excellent destination to get here by boat. I see on the sign over there, there's a mac and cheese festival in November. I'll want to make sure to check that out. But here at One Shot Charlie's, I've talked about it before. This place is awesome. It is just quintessential North Idaho. If they have the special, the lasagna, I highly recommend it. It's huge. It's not on the menu, but if you catch them on the right day, get the lasagna.
The memories that hold us for the rest of our lives. Chasing new adventures, so much to discover here in this beautiful life. Sunny days, summer nights, soaking in this wildlife. Tell me, could this get any better? Open skies, open roads, every mile a new unknown. Tell me, could this get any better? Oh, could this get any better? This beautiful life. Oh, what a beautiful life. This beautiful life.
Here we are at Cedars Restaurant. It is the only floating restaurant on Lake Coeur, located still on the north side of the lake, right where the mouth of the Spokane River meets Lake Coeur. And it is a seafood restaurant known for fresh fish and locally sourced beef, and a 15-foot salad bar. So there you have it, your waterfront restaurant guide to beautiful Lake Coeur. Be sure to share this episode with a friend who might need a lake day, and check out our free downloadable guide. The link is available right below in the description. And if this lake is starting to feel like home, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We do everything North Idaho lifestyle. We'll see you on the water.